Are you tired of your shower feeling more like a drizzle than a downpour? Well, grab your rubber ducky and get ready to make a splash. Whether you're looking for a spa-like experience or just trying to rinse off a long day, the right shower head can transform your daily rinse into a refreshing oasis. Join us as we explore the best shower heads that can turn your bathroom into a mini water park. No swimsuit required. Dive in for all the details. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. SparkPod Showerhead. Our pick for best budget showerhead. If your daily shower feels more like a tepid sprinkle than a refreshing downpour, it's time to meet your new bathroom hero, the SparkPod Showerhead. This isn't just any ordinary showerhead, it's your passport to a spa-like rainfall experience right at home. Wave goodbye to lackluster showers and say hello to a cascade of hot water that invigorates your senses and lifts your spirits. Worried about installing it? Don't be. You can pop this beauty onto your standard shower arm in under 5 minutes. No tools, no drama, just pure bliss. Plus, it comes with extra Teflon tape and a water filter, ensuring you're fully equipped without the fuss. And let's talk about keeping things clean. With 90 easy-to-clean rubber jets, you can bid farewell to that pesky limescale buildup. That means more time enjoying your invigorating shower and less time battling grime. But that's not all, folks. You'll also be doing your wallet a favor with a maximum outflow of just 1.8 gallons per minute. That's right, long, luxurious showers that won't drown your budget. So go ahead, indulge in the refreshing rain shower you deserve, wrapped in the comfort of knowing you're saving on that pesky water heater bill. Dive into your best shower experience yet with the SparkPod Showerhead, your personal cloud of joy. Number 4. AquaCare Showerhead. Our pick for best high-pressure shower head. If you're on a quest for the ultimate shower experience that doesn't require a treasure chest, the AquaCare high-pressure handheld shower head is your new secret weapon. Say goodbye to lackluster spray and hello to a refreshing deluge that'll make you feel like royalty without emptying your wallet. With a fabulous 8 spray settings, including wide rain, invigorating massage, and an intense point jet that could double as your shower's personal guard, you're bound to find that perfect setting to wash away the day's stress or tackle those pesky soap scum stains. At 2.5 gallons per minute, this showerhead isn't just about good looks. It packs a punch in water pressure, though your water bill might just tap you on the shoulder to say, "Hey, remember me?" The handheld wand gives you freedom with a length that can stretch to your needs, making it a hit for everyone from your pint-sized family members to your taller companions. Plus, with its antimicrobial anti-clog nozzles, you'll have a shiny head that stays clean and fresh. So while you might spot a minor leak or two, don't fret. A quick wipe with your trusty shower cleaner keeps things shining bright. Elevate your daily wash and turn your dull routine into a spa escape with AquaCare. Still searching for the perfect shower head? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Moen Engage Magnetix Showerhead, our pick for best handheld showerhead. If you think showers can only be a mundane affair, the Moen Engage Magnetix Showerhead is here to prove you wrong. With this handheld marvel, you're in charge of your shower destiny, directing that blissful water flow exactly where it needs to go. Thanks to its clever magnetic docking system, attaching and detaching from the wall is as easy as snap and go, which means no more awkward juggling acts mid-shower. Feeling lightweight and perfectly balanced, this wand is your trusty sidekick during those marathon bath sessions. Whether you're rinsing off the kids or just luxuriating in self-care, your arm won't be waving the white flag anytime soon. Sure, the hose could be a smidge longer, but it's still ready to tackle any task you throw at it. Now, let's talk performance. The Moen Engage delivers a delightful even spray, though the coverage isn't quite enough for that over-the-top rainfall vibe you might be dreaming of. But fear not. With 6 versatile spray patterns including rinse, massage, and wide coverage, customizing your experience is a breeze. Plus, moving this shower head around is a cinch, thanks to its smooth swivel action adjustment. In short, if you're ready to elevate your shower game, this shower head has your back. Now go forth and enjoy a shower experience that's anything but ordinary. Number 2. SR Sunrise, our pick for best shower head for bathroom renovations. If you're thinking of giving your bathroom a facelift, let's talk about the SR Sunrise shower head. Trust us, this isn't just any shower head. It's a game changer that makes you feel like you've stepped into a spa every morning. Sure, it takes a bit of elbow grease to install, but once it's up, it's all smooth sailing and steamy skies. Why is it worthy of the title Best Shower Head for Bathroom Renovations? Well, once you're under its divine cascade, you'll understand. The wide coverage is sheer bliss, courtesy of its impressive 16-inch arm that makes sure every inch of you gets drenched. And let's talk about water pressure. It's strong enough to rinse away even the most stubborn shampoo residue while you indulge in a mini concert with your best shower karaoke. Switching between the main head and the handheld nozzle is as easy as turning a knob. Feeling a little fancy? Use both at once. In the world of shower heads, this one stands tall, literally, with options ranging from 8 to 16 inches. Made from tough brass and 304 stainless steel, it keeps things modern and sleek. If you're ready to elevate your shower game during your renovation, the SR Sunrise has your back. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Delta 5 Setting Shower Head, our pick for best shower head overall. If you're tired of showers that feel more like a sprinkle than a full-on spa experience, meet the Delta 5 Setting Shower Head, your ticket to a dazzling bathroom retreat. This beauty is not just a shower head, it's your personal waterfall upgrade, designed with modern flair and all the right features to transform your routine. With 5 invigorating spray settings, including full body spray for when you want to feel like a human waterfall, and a calming massaging spray for those days when your shoulders need a gentle reminder to chill, this shower head has got your back. Plus, the shampoo rinsing spray ensures your locks get the TLC they deserve, while the pause feature lets you channel your inner multitasker, shave, lather, or just marvel at how good you look, all while keeping the water warm. Switching modes is as easy as turning a dial, so you won't have to wrestle with it like it's a Rubik's Cube. And thanks to the soft rubber touch clean spray holes, say goodbye to pesky calcium and lime buildup. Just a quick wipe, and your shower head shines like it just stepped out of a beauty commercial. Best of all, this WaterSense labeled gem uses at least 20% less water than industry standards, so you can shower guilt-free. Dive into your next shower with the Delta 5 Setting Shower Head and turn your daily rinse into a refreshing escape. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of shower head. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which best shower heads you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.